we are going to learn about our topic number 83, pointer program number 3 in C language. So let's move forward. Pointers in C language. So in the previous lecture, we have learned about the program number 2, that how to use the concept of the pointer in C language. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the program number 3. So let's look at the concept of the pointer. Then after we will move forward the program number 3. Okay. So the concept says that pointer variable is used to hold the memory address of the other variable, and other variable can also be a pointer variable. It is also the fact, and it is an indirect way to set or get the value in the variable. So what we have observed from the fact that when we are using the asterisk first time, it means it holds the address of a variable. And when we are using the asterisk second time, in the next time, we can say that is going to define the value of that variable. Okay. Now, look at the use of the things of a pointer and the program related to the pointers. That is the program number 3. So, pointer program number 3 in C language. This is very important program. And you will learn about the pointer concept, that how to deal with the pointer in C language, and a very unique coding approach that gives you with the concept of address, memory address. Okay, so let's look at. So I have to write a program in C to accept 2 numbers from the user. So user will give you any number, any 2 number. Then I have to calculate and display the product and difference of that 2 number with the concept of pointer. So I think that you have knows the fact about that, what the question is saying. The question telling you is that accept 2 number. You have to accept 2 numbers from the user, and you have to calculate the product and difference of a 2 number using the pointer, and you have to display it on the monitor. So let's look at the code. So this is the hashtag include studio.h, and this is the hashtag include conio.h. So this is the header file that we are including it, okay, in our program. So this stands for standard input output header file, and this stands for control input output header files. Okay. After that, I am using the main function here, and its return type is void here, so it is not going to return any value. Okay. Then after that, I am using this, that open curly braces for this main function. So I am actually opening the main function here, and here you are seeing the different types of variable, and the pointer is just declaring. I am just declaring it with float data type. So I am declaring A, B, PRO, DI, double F, point, we can say variable of float data type, and asterisk P, asterisk PB, asterisk P, PRO, asterisk P, DI, double F as a pointer of float data type. Okay, so these all are going to contain only float data type value. Okay, then after that I am assigning the value of A into a pointer A, PA, and I am assigning the point, we can say value of B in a pointer PB. I am assigning the value of product in a pointer PPRO, and I am actually assigning the difference, we can say diff, into the pdiff pointer. Okay, after this assignment, we can say after this assigning process, I am just using the clr function, which help you to clear the screen, and then I am using the printf function, which is going to printed on the monitor of the C language that enter 2 number. So user gives you 2 number, so that number is going to be assigned here and assigned here. That is going to be stored in this pointer and this pointer. So whatever the number that user gives, that is going to be assigned here, because we have used the scanf function. So when the user gives you any number, that is going to be assigned in the pointer A, PA and PB, and that I am just going to use it for the calculation purpose here. You will see that asterisk PA into asterisk PV. So asterisk PA is the value of a variable. Asterisk PA means, because we are using the asterisk PA next time, we can say second time in the program. Here it is the first time and it is the second time when we are using it. Therefore, it contains the value of a variable A and value of variable B. So variable A into variable B is going to give you the multiplication, or we can say the product that I am assigning it into the pointer P pro. And in the similar way, I am just subtracting the value of A with the value of B and assigning it into the pdiff pointer. So you will see that after this I am just printing our value that product of two number is going to be this and product of two difference of two number is going to be this. So whatever the value it contain, that is going to be transferred here with this format is specified. So this is the way actually to work and the concept behind the pointer in C language. This is very interesting coding. This is very interesting program in C language, we can say, with the concept of the pointer. And the pointer concept says is that when you are using the asterisk for the first time, it means it's hold the address, memory address of a particular variable. And when you are using it for second time, it means it defines value at that variable. Okay, so this was all about the pointers, program number 3 in C language. So you will be concluding about the fact about the output of it, that in the similar way, because we have uses the concept that enter two numbers. So user is going to give you the two number like this 2010, and product of two number is going to be 200 because it is a float value. You will see here this is a float value. Okay, this is a float value. Okay, therefore the output is going to be this and the difference is going to be this. Difference of 20 and 10 is 10 in a float value. So this is the output that is going to be displayed when you run this code, okay, in C language. So this was all about the pointer program number 3 in C language. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.